Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the recent files, start files. Right here, you're going to find Adobe Cloud Storage, your files, scans shared by you and shared by others. Here you're going to find the agreements, and right here you're going to find other file storage. So you can add a file storage from here. Right here in recommended tools for you, you're going to find some of the recommended tools. And if you want to see all of the tools in Adobe Acrobat, go ahead and click on See All Tools right here. And then in this list, you're going to find all of the tools. And if you go to the search bar, you can type any tool that you want to find it. Right here, you're going to find Work with the PDF Now. If you click on Open File, right here, you can choose any PDF that you want from your computers to work with it. Right here, you're going to find the list of the recent files. For example, I'm going to click on this file. And then right here in the right, you're going to find Share, Request a Signature, Edit a PDF, Export a PDF, Organize pages, add comments, fill and sign, and remove from recent. So for example, I'm going to click on Edit a PDF, and then this page will open up. So right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need to edit your PDF. Also, you're going to find all tools right here, so you can use any tool that you want. You can click on View More to see all of the tools. Right here, you're going to find Convert. If you want to export PDF to Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, image formats, or other formats, and you can also convert to PDF, compress a PDF, or scan an OCR. And lastly, from here you can sign. Here is my e-signature. You can use it to sign your PDF. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.